Are you thinking of buying a home but not sure how COVID-19 has impacted the buying process? Here's a list of things to be mindful of. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam, licensed realtor with eXp Realty Brokerage based in Toronto. Our channel is all about Toronto real estate investing, wealth mindset, personal branding, and marketing. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to get updates on new content. Now let's look at how the pandemic has changed the buying process. Supply and demand. As we know, the effects of the pandemic has led to a massive spike in some but all property types. The largest housing demand is in bigger, single-family detached homes, usually with an office space, modernized feel, and larger backyard space, while the least demand is for smaller condos in the GTA. For resale homes in October 2020, you're looking at about pricing increases to 13.7%. Financing has become easier to obtain, that's really helping with the housing demand and massive price increase as a whole. The pandemic has led to a massive demand for larger housings in the suburbs, away from large municipalities like Toronto. Due to this, condos are the least desirable property types, leading to larger amount of supply in units available for rent or for sale. With this in mind, there's an opportunity for first-time homebuyers to get into the market, as well as an investment opportunity when migration begins to open up again. All in all, I recommend that you get your plans in order and get your financing approved, so that you're ready to make the move once you find the right property, making you well prepared for a successful offer. With many people feeling the effects of the pandemic, mortgage deferral has been popular this year. Not long ago, banks were not willing to work with people who have taken the mortgage deferral as an option. Now lenders are providing financing to those who have taken a mortgage deferral. However, there are some requirements when it comes to paperwork to show proof that you have not lost your job or been laid off. Now we're entering the lowest level interest rate below 2%. And this will help qualify for a larger mortgage amount. Some lenders are now providing lower loan-to-value mortgage, with some buyers having to put down 25%. Keep in mind, if you're selling an existing property or buying a new home, be mindful of the fees when ending an existing mortgage and other fees such as commission, legal, HST, etc. It can cost you thousands, leaving you short for down payment, so make sure to do your plans and get in touch with a professional so they can give you the appropriate advice and a breakdown of all costs involved. All in all, you're not affected too much if you have taken a mortgage deferral. However, get in touch with a mortgage specialist so they can help you finance your next property. Next is how transactions has been affected by the pandemic. When you're ready to start looking at properties and actually physically go in to attend showings, like many places, make sure that you are wearing gloves, masks, and hand sanitizer. Another item is some of the properties require that you sign a COVID waiver before attending showings. And we all know that physically viewing the property, looking at the property, smelling the property gives you an added edge and a higher intent to buy that property and higher ROI in the investment of marketing your property. And now virtual tours and virtual open houses have become the norm. Again, making it super easier for you to really take in a property and understand what the elements of a property is before going to visit. And you don't have to also not go visit all the properties anymore, because a lot of properties and listings often have property videos and 3D virtual tours options online. And with everything going on, a lot of the thing within the real estate trading has become online, even with paperwork and form signing as well. Again, changing the traditional way of you going with your realtor to their office perhaps and printing out some paperwork and signing. All in all, there's been a lot of changes within the real estate industry, such as many others. From added hygiene precautions to the rise of digital documentations and open virtual houses. These are all the ways that the pandemic has affected the way that we trade in real estate. I hope you found this video helpful, provides you with value and key information to help you with your next transaction. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.